Hello students, welcome to Spectra Educational Academy. In this video, I am going to explain VSAQs in the chapter Physical World. Let us begin with first question. Let me read the question first. What is physics? Physics deals with basic laws of nature and their manifestation. In different natural phenomena. So different natural phenomena, one of the phenomena is incidence of light, what happens? Then when ball is allowed to fall, what happens? So these are all natural phenomena. Next, question number 2. What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? See, in another way also this particular question may be asked, what is Raman effect? Okay, so C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect. It deals with the scattering of light by the molecules of medium. Molecules of the medium when they are excited to vibrational energy levels. Move to the next question. What are fundamental forces in nature? The first one is gravitational. Second is electromagnetic. Third is weak nuclear. And fourth is strong nuclear. So these are all fundamental forces in nature. Next question is fourth. What is the contribution of S. Chandrasekhar to physics? First contribution is Chandrasekhar limit. So you can ask me what is Chandrasekhar limit? Chandrasekhar limit is the maximum mass of a stable white dwarf star. The currently accepted value of Chandrasekhar limit is 1.4 times of mass of the sun. So what is mass of the sun is 2.765 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. This is the first one. Second one is he worked on the structure. structure and evolution of stars. Let us move to the next question. Question number 5. What is beta decay? Which force is a function of it? The answer is beta decay is a radioactive decay. The radioactive decay in which electron is emitted. So if you write this one, you'll get 1 mark. Which force is a function of it? Weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force is a function of it. So with this, we have completed the explanation of VSAQs in different chapters. But my advice to the students also to prepare answers of VSAQs in the chapter System of Particles. Looking at the previous question papers in this particular chapter, System of Particles and Rotational Motion, of course. Looking at the previous question papers in this particular chapter, board has given only 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 means 2 short answers. But this time there is a possibility, least possibility, to get 4 plus 2 plus 2. So it means 2 VSAQs and 1 short answers. Also, another possibility, as per the 70% of the syllabus, most of the important long answer questions in the chapter thermodynamics were disappeared. So now this time may be expected that from thermodynamics maybe 4 plus 2. So that is why there are VSAQs also there in thermodynamics. So my one more advice is board never issues blueprint. I'll give you one example for that. So we repeatedly say that from the chapter work, energy and power only you will get 1 long answer questions, no short answer questions and no VSAQs. I'll show that. So this is a chapter work energy. So even if you look at the back of the chapter, there are also VSAQs. There are also SAQs. So therefore, board never restricts the learning ability, learning capacity of the student. Why blueprint means? Blueprint only to have better idea to score 90% of the marks, 90% of the maximum. So 90% means what? In physics, 50 plus. So that blueprint never makes you to get, if you follow strictly blueprint, it never makes you to get 60 out of 60. So board, I'm repeatedly saying that board never restrict the learning capacity and learning ability of the student. From my next class onwards, I'll proceed with short answers in different chapters. Thank you very much for watching my video, but don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much.